Hello, I'm Lorna, CEO of AestheticSource. We are a leading distributor of skincare throughout the United Kingdom and Ireland. AestheticSource was set up in 2012. It came on the back of my 30 years experience in aesthetics and particularly of running a chain of clinics. And I felt that it would be important to have a single place that aesthetic practitioners, cosmetic doctors, dermatologists and in fact consumers could come and find out the information they needed about the best clinically proven skincare available to them in the UK and Ireland. So what we did was to put together a curated portfolio of brands to make sure that we really do produce for the United Kingdom from around the world the very, very best skincare products. That's not where we stop though, because alongside those best skincare products, it's really important for practitioners and clinics to understand that they can come to us for both business support, but also training on skincare and the specific products that we carry in our brand to give them a really good knowledge and confidence to be able to talk to their patients about exactly what they can achieve with clinically proven skincare. Every brand that's in our portfolio goes through a very rigorous process before we actually bring it to market. Of course, all of the brands that we carry are registered correctly in the UK and Europe to make sure that we can bring them safely to the market in the United Kingdom and Ireland. Alongside that, it's really important for us to understand what the clinical data behind the brands are. So we have clinical data behind the individual ingredients, behind the combinations that go into products, and in many cases, we actually have regimen clinical studies. The clinical studies I'm talking about are ones that are in peer-reviewed journals, preferably randomised and double-blinded. Some of them are in vitro studies, some of them are in vivo studies that are randomised, double-blinded. But that gives the practitioner, a doctor, a nurse in aesthetics the absolute confidence that any products that they're going to be purchasing from AestheticSource are clinically proven as both safe and effective. We're also very careful with our before and after photographs. The before and after photographs that we use for marketing come from those peer-reviewed clinical studies almost without exception, or they're from practitioners. If they're not from those studies, they're from practitioners that we work with and understand how they practice, and we can be certain that the before and afters we put out are before and afters where patients have added in skincare from the skincare brands that we carry to their regimes. And what we're seeing is the results of that skincare as opposed to the results of Photoshop or any medical treatment, aesthetic procedures going alongside the before and afters of the topical products. And to me, that's really important, to be able to sit in front of my patient and reassure my patient that what they're looking at, what they're seeing in terms of before and afters are genuine, achievable results. As a team at AestheticSource, we're here first and foremost to support you in your clinics. We have our logistics and finance team who will make sure that you can place your orders easily and those orders are delivered to you in a timely fashion. We also have in our head office our customer care team who are available on email, by phone, whichever way you wish to communicate with them to place your orders, to ask any questions that you might have. Out in the field, we also have a team of business development managers supported by our wonderful national sales manager, and they can come into clinic and help you with open events, help you with staff training, front of house training, clinical training, and really everything you need to feel confident in your skincare practice. We also have our training department. We have a broad range of key opinion leaders who teach and lecture on our behalf, both from the United Kingdom and globally, and they are led by our training manager, Nikki Jones. So we really are set up to support you as best we can, and every part of our business is also supported by our very, very extensive marketing team who are in-house ready to help with all the marketing assets that you need to get your messages out to your patients. As a team, we work with 3 pillars. And this goes across every relationship we have, whether it's with our suppliers, whether it's internally, or whether it's with you, our customers. Those pillars are authenticity, trust, and passion. They're very dear to me. I feel it's absolutely essential to be authentic, to be in a position where people trust what we do. And I think because we're 10 years old, I can confidently say that we are an extremely well-trusted company. I think it's also fair to say that people know how very passionate we are as a company about skincare, about the results that we can give to patients, and also of course about the commercial results we can create when we partner with clinics. You may have seen us use the phrase skin fitness. This is a phrase that we've been using for the lifetime of AestheticSource, and we feel it's a very important communication to the consumer. The way I see it is, if I talk to a patient about health, even if it's skin health, what they're thinking is the National Health Service, it's medical support, it's going to somebody else to deal with a health problem. Whereas if you think about somebody thinking about fitness, they think about going to the gym, going out for a jog, getting on their bicycle, going swimming. It's taking responsibility for themselves. So what we mean when we think skin fitness is taking responsibility for your own skin, selecting the right ingredients that are going to make sure that the structure and function of your skin is at optimal condition. There's nothing we like more at AestheticSource than engaging with our clinic partners. We're here to support you every step of the way. The best thing to do is to reach out to us on our phone number, which is 01234 313130, or email us at orders@aestheticsource.com. We're here all the time, we're here to support you, we love working with you, so please do be in touch and let's talk about how we can help you build your skincare practice.